Hi guys! Welcome back to Renpet Bath and Beauty's showroom. We're here today to give another tour of the showroom because we have, well, my daughter has overdone it for Halloween, but I think we made it work. Plus, we have a ton of new members to our Renpet family, and we want to make sure that they all know that we have a showroom here where our local customers get to come and shop. And it's incredible to be able to do that. I'm very thankful and grateful to my husband, who loves me to death, that I'm able to do this. So what I'm gonna do, I'm sure you can see, behind me we've got some Halloween stuff, but I'm gonna take you guys off the tripod and we're gonna get started with the Halloween tour. Okay guys, here we go for our Halloween tour. We have the wreath that I made a few years back. I can't really get you in too close because there's a lot of glare, but it's even got like roses with eyeballs in it and everything, and it lights up. So later on tonight, because we have quite a few lights in here, I'm going to go ahead and show you a night tour as well. And you guys, if you've watched the tour before, you know I have this great little flower bed when you walk into my house. And yes, this has our fall flowers in it, but we have a few little, white bats in there and whatnot. But this will stay all through fall. Some of the decorations will stay all through fall. But we've put some tinsel way up high so my cat doesn't eat it, because for whatever reason my cat loves to eat tinsel. And we have, let's back up just a little bit, we have our Halloween display. I'm going to come in a little bit closer to show you guys what we have. We have our Halloween soaps on here, and we have our little beware sign and some bones, which my granddaughter said they were chicken bones. It was so hilarious. And I have some flowers over here, and this boo sign my granddaughter and I made with Mod Podge and some paint and ribbon and whatnot. And then again we have some flowers, and there's lights in this as well, and an eek sign. Let me see if I can get it a little bit, there we go, that we also Mod Podged and whatnot. Okay, I'm going to back up. And look, we even have our black cat to go with our Halloween. Hi, Mr. J. Mr. J. Oh, you're such a pretty kitty. Sorry, I had to. Okay, and on our Osiris cabinet, oh, we've got glare. That's what we've got. On our Osiris cabinet, we have our Halloween basket with it's got purple pumpkins and all that kind of stuff, and there's some lighting that trails down on my 3-tiered trays. And you know how I told you guys how we put our solstice soaps? You guys, God, this glare is terrible. Put our solstice soaps on the corner of our Osiris cabinet. There they are. And we have our fall flowers we keep out. I don't have any vases for the Halloween flowers, but this is all decorated with, bones and hands, and we even put them in the jar. It's great. It's fantastic. And this lights up as well. So like I said, when I show you the nighttime view, you'll be able to see. And again, on our Isis cabinet, we have all our little bones. And this one lights up this 3-tiered tray as well. And we have our other fall flowers. Okay, so now I'm going to back up and try not to fall off of this stoop here. So this is our Ron Hawthorne cabinet, and we have our tinsel. And these little bulbs are so freaking awesome. I love these. My daughter brought them home, and we strung them up to put it on there. And I love this welcome sign up here. And our purple boxes that we keep our samples in, they go great with this whole thing. And why don't you come in for a spell? Isn't that fantastic? I love it. Okay, and we have our our Welcome My Pretties, and our Tef Newton shoe cabinet also has lights on it. Again, you know, I'll show you guys everything at night. And we have our bath salts with our little warrior ghosts. And our Attune cabinet is also lighting up. So, and we brought out all of our Halloween bags to bring to that. My desk is not, see, this is all of our fall decorations right here that we have out to, you know, do after Halloween. My desk isn't really decorated because, you know what, guys? I've been doing shows, so this is all the stuff I have packed up for to take to shows. This is the Saturday I'm filming this on. So, yeah, we have to take that tomorrow to our show. So, yeah, oh, the last thing. This will stay up all fall. I made this. This was fantastic. It's $6 store picture frames and a dollar store welcome friends sign and some dollar store flowers, and I think it turned out great. This is a new feature this year, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make one for Christmas, I'm gonna make one for winter, make one for spring, and one for summer, and that's gonna be fantastic. I can't wait. So I'll show you. I think I'm gonna do a fall and a Christmas showroom tour because, like I said, my daughter's been going overboard. Oh, and the very last thing is these lights over here also have tinsel on them, and like I said, we have to keep them away from our Mr. J because Mr. J loves to eat tinsel, don't you? Why are you looking at me like that, bro? It's so funny. All right, guys, you guys have a great rest of the week, and I will see you on Friday. Bye-bye.